Is it about time to start watering your lawn again and you're not sure if you're doing it quite right? Follow these 4 simple tips and I guarantee you'll have a green lawn. Number 1, deep. Grass likes to be watered deep. It helps encourage strong root growth. And you do that by applying all the water it needs, which is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water per week over a 1 or 2 day session. You'll do this by watering for a long period of time, anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, depending on your sprinkler type. Fixed spray heads water faster and usually need 15 to 20 minutes. Rotors run for around 25 to 45 minutes. Rotary heads need about 30 to 45 minutes. If you're using a hose end sprinkler, timing can vary more depending on the type. Oscillating or rotating styles often need 30 to 60 minutes to put down enough water. If you have compact or clay soil that runs off easily, check if your controller has a cycle and soak setting. This splits your watering into shorter cycles with breaks in between, so the water has time to soak in deeply instead of running off. Number 2, infrequent. Though you got to apply about 1 inch, 1.5 inches of water per week, you should do that over the course of just 1 or 2 days. Because you want to stress out your grass a little bit. You call yourself grass, you're never going to be a lawn. No, not like that. The stress is from denying them water. Those periods of time that goes without water induces stress in your grass, and believe it or not, that stress also encourages stronger, healthy grass. This stress causes the root to the grass to go deeper searching for water. Deeper roots lead to stronger grass, as long as it gets that inch and a half of water it needs every week. If you don't have a sprinkler system and want to know how to water your lawn without an in-ground system, I'll show you exactly how with the video in the top right or description below. Number 3, water early. Preferably, this is early in the morning. If you water too late, you might risk fungus growing on your grass, which typically isn't healthy for a lawn. If for any reason you can't get up early enough in the morning or aren't available to water early morning, early in the evening is also acceptable. Using a controller or a hose end timer makes this much easier. Having multiple programs set also helps you quickly adjust as the season changes. If you want to see some good options for hose end timers or controllers, I've created guides for choosing between them in the top right and description below. Number 4, monitor how much water is getting on your grass. For your sprinklers, for example, you could use a tuna can. Lay it out in your yard during your watering cycle and see how long it takes to fill up. A tuna can is about 1 inch deep, so when it's full, you've applied 1 inch of water to your lawn. If you know how long that took to do, you know your watering cycle to apply 1 inch. However, you also want to keep track of the amount of rain, because the rain that is applied to your lawn should count into that 1 inch and 1.5 inches it needs per week. To do that, you can either use a tuna can or a rain gauge and put it somewhere it's going to collect rain. For example, if it has 1 inch of rain, you know you might not need to apply any of your sprinkler water to the grass. There is one more tip, the secret number 5, and that is fertilizing your lawn. If you'd like to learn how to automatically apply fertilizer to your lawn, check out the video right there.